This necklace is so beautiful. The peacock color shine on these KESHI pearls are just gorgeous. Okay, to get started making this project, you will need 24 peacock colored KESHI pearls, and these are top drilled. You'll need 1.5 pieces of cut chain, and these are cut into 8 pieces, 1.5 inches long, so you'll need 8 pieces of that. You'll need wire. This is 24 gauge wire. You'll need 8 pieces cut into 3.5 inches long. You'll need some beads. You'll need 16 beads, a clasp, and some jump rings. And for tools, you'll need round nose pliers, flush cutters, chain nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. So this necklace is going to be wire wrapped together in segments. So we're going to start off with getting a piece of wire and bringing it to the back, and we're going to wire wrap one side. I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. And then what I'm going to do is open the door. I'm going to slide on my chain, and I'm going to wire wrap the piece of wire to the chain. And since this is 24 gauge wire, I can just use my fingers and go around. I think I'm going to go around 3 times, and then I'm going to cut it. And pinch it down so it's flush. Now I'm going to add my bead, and I'm going to add 3 KESHI pearls. So we're going to find the hole. These are top drilled. Slide that through. And we want to make sure that there isn't any space between the beads and the pearls. We try to do the best that we can. So this one, see there's space there, so we're going to flip it around and put the pearl that way. And do the same thing for this side. So we've got our arrangement like this with the bead and the 3 pearls all together, and then we're going to add another bead. And then what we want is, we don't want this wire that we're going to wire wrap to curve and bend. We want to try to keep it as straight as we can so our necklace comes out straight. Okay, so this is all down. Now we're going to get our chain nose pliers, check it again to see if everything's down, and it is. Then we're going to bring the wire to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, pinch it down, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to open the door, and I'm going to slide on the next piece of chain. I'm going to hang on to the loop that I made, and I'm going to use my bent chain nose pliers and wire wrap around. Okay, now I'm going to cut off the excess. And pinch down the little burr. Oh, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to do another segment. So I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, bring the wire to the back, and I'm going to wire wrap the same way. Come up, over, down, rotate my pliers, bring the wire to the back. I'm going to open the door, and I'm going to put on the chain from the last segment that I did. Then I'm going to pinch it down, the loop, and I'm going to wire wrap around about 3 times, cutting off the excess and pinching down the burr so it doesn't scrape our neck. Okay, now we're going to add our pearls. Oh, we have to add our bead first, so we're going to add 1 bead. Then we're going to add our pearls. Flipping it around so it stays close to each other. Let's see if I can find the hole here. Some of these pearl holes are so tiny. Okay, got that through. So I've got the bead and I've got my 3 KESHI pearls pushed down pretty good. Now I'm going to add another bead. Oops. Now I'm going to wire wrap the top the same way, pinching it with my chain nose pliers, making sure that my wire is straight, bringing the wire to the back, switching out for my round nose pliers, coming up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back, open the door, and I'm going to add my chain. And then I'm going to pinch down the loop that I made, come in with my bent chain nose pliers, and wire wrap around. Now I'm going to cut off the excess and pinch down my burr. So there's 1 segment done, or 2 segments done. I'm going to continue on making my segments, wire wrapping, adding pearls, and then I'll meet you back here. Okay, let's stop and assess what we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clusters of KESHI pearls, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 segments of our chain. And this is coming out to an 18-inch necklace. So if you want an 18-inch necklace, you just need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clusters and your chain. But I'm going to go longer because I want to just slip it over my neck. So I'm going to go to 22 or 24 inches. So I'm going to continue on. Okay, so I'm going to stop and see what the length of my necklace is. I'm going to put my clasp on here, and that's going to take up about a ½ inch. And then I'm going to bring my chain over, and this is 12. So this is 12 right here. And let's measure this, and this is 24. 25, 26. So this necklace is 26 inches, which will definitely fit over my head. So we're going to stop here and attach our clasp. Let me get my chain nose pliers and my bent chain nose pliers. And I'm going to attach this to my necklace, and this, it looks like this clasp already has a jump ring, so I'm going to leave that on there and attach that and close it up, give it a squeeze, and open up the other jump ring, put it on that end, close it up, give it a squeeze, and there you have your beautiful KESHI pearl necklace. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.